Hello students, today we'll start our next exercise, that is exercise 4.2. Our first question is, which one of the following option is true and why? Y is equals to 3x plus 5 has a unique solution, only two solutions, infinitely many solutions. So if we'll see this equation, this is a linear equation in two variables, and as discussed in the introduction itself, a linear equation in two variable is having infinitely many solutions. Fine. So y is equals to 3x plus 5 is a linear equation in two variables and it has infinite possible solutions. As for every value of x, there will be a value of y satisfying the above equation and vice versa. Hence, our third option is correct. Fine. Now, our second question is, write four solutions for each of the following equation. Our first part is 2x plus y is equals to 7. So, here if for x is equals to 0, for finding the solutions we know we have to put the value of x accordingly the value of y will come, or we will put the value of y and accordingly the value of x will come. So here we are putting x is equals to 0 in the equation, then 2 multiply 0 plus y is equals to 7. So 2 multiply 0 is 0. So y is equals to 7. Hence 0, 7 is the solution of this equation. This is the first solution. Now for x is equals to 1, we are putting the value of x as 1 in the equation. So 2 multiply 1 plus y is equals to 7. So 2 ones are 2. If this shifts over this side, then it becomes negative. So y is equals to 7 minus 2, which is equals to 5. Therefore, 1, 5 is the solution of this equation. Fine. Then for x is equals to minus 1, we are putting the value of x as minus 1. So 2 into minus 1 plus y is equals to 7. So this is equals to minus 2, and if this shift over this side of equals to, then it becomes positive. So y is equals to 7 plus 2, which is 9. Therefore, minus 1, 9 is a solution of this equation. Then for x is equals to 2, in the equation we'll put the value of x as 2. So 2 multiply 2 plus y is equals to 7. So 2 2s are 4, and if this 4 shifts over this side, then it becomes negative. So 7 minus 4 is equals to 3. So y is equals to 3. Therefore, 2, 3 is the solution of this equation. Fine. Now, second part is pi x plus y is equals to 9. Again, for x is equals to 0, we'll put in place of x 0. So pi multiply 0 plus y is equals to 9. So pi multiply 0 is 0. Therefore y is equals to 9. So 0, 9 is the solution of this equation. Then for x is equals to 1, we'll put 1 in place of x. So pi multiply 1 plus y is equals to 9. So when pi multiply 1 is pi only, so when this goes this side, then it becomes negative. So y is equals to 9 minus pi. Therefore, 1, 9 minus pi is a solution of this equation. Now for x is equals to 2, in place of x we'll put 2. So pi multiply 2 plus y is equals to 9. When this 2 pi shifts over this side, then it becomes negative. So y is equals to 9 minus 2 pi. So 2, 9 minus 2 pi is the solution of this equation. Then if we'll put x is equals to minus 1, then pi multiply minus 1 plus y is equals to 9. So y is equals to 9 plus pi, y plus, because when this shifts over this side of equals to, then it becomes positive. So minus 1, 9 plus pi is the solution of this equation. Then Question number 3rd. Check which of the following are solutions of the equation x minus 2y is equals to 4 and which are not. So, in this question, what we have to do? We have to simply put here, first part is the value of x and second is the value of y. Right. So, if we'll put the value of x in place of x and the value of y in place of y, and if this satisfies the left hand side is equals to right hand side, then that is the solution, otherwise not. So first part is 0, 2. Putting x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 2 in the left hand side of the given equation, x minus 2y is equals to 0 is our left hand side. So in place of x we are writing 0, then minus 2 multiply 2, we are writing in place of y as 2. So then it becomes minus 4 and our right hand side is plus 4. So minus 4 is not equals to plus 4. Therefore right hand side is not equals to the left hand side. Therefore 0, 2 is not a solution of this equation. Now second part, 2, 0. Putting x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 0 in the left hand side of the given equation. X minus 2y is equals to 2 minus 2 into 0. Then which is equals to 2 only, and 2 is not equals to 4. Therefore left hand side is not equals to right hand side. So 2, 0 is not a solution of this equation. Fine. Now question number 4. Find the value of k if x is equals to 2, y is equals to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y is equals to k. So putting x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 1 in the given equation, then 2x plus 3y is equals to k. Then in place of x we are writing 2 and in place of y we are writing 1. So 2 2s are 4 plus 3 1s are 3 is equals to k, and 4 plus 3 is 7. So the value of k is 7. So this is all about our this exercise. Thank you.